10 foods to avoid if you want younger looking skin. As we grow older, our skin starts to show signs of aging, such as fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. While genetics play a role in how our skin ages, our diet also has a significant impact. If you want to maintain youthful, radiant skin, it is important to pay attention to the foods you eat. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Here are 10 foods to avoid for younger looking skin. 1. Processed sugars are high in fructose, which can lead to skin damage and accelerate the aging process. When sugar molecules bind with proteins in the skin, they create advanced glycation end products, AGEs, that can cause wrinkles and sagging skin. To avoid this, try to limit your intake of processed foods, such as candy, cookies, and soda, and opt for healthier sweeteners, such as honey or maple syrup. 2. Fried foods, such as French fries and fried chicken, are high in trans fats and can cause inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response in the body, but when it becomes chronic, it can contribute to wrinkles and skin damage. To avoid this, try to limit your intake of fried foods and opt for healthier cooking methods, such as baking or grilling. 3. Alcohol. Alcohol is dehydrating and can cause skin to look dull and tired. When we drink alcohol, it causes our bodies to produce more urine, which can lead to dehydration and affect the skin's natural hydration levels. To avoid this, try to limit your alcohol intake and drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated. 4. Refined carbohydrates. Foods high in refined carbohydrates, such as white bread, pasta, and pastries, can cause spikes in blood sugar levels. These spikes can cause wrinkles and sagging skin by breaking down collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep skin firm and elastic. To avoid this, try to limit your intake of refined carbohydrates and opt for whole grains, such as brown rice and quinoa. 5. Saturated and trans fats. Foods high in saturated and trans fats, such as red meat and fast food, can lead to inflammation. Inflammation can cause skin damage and contribute to wrinkles and age spots. To avoid this, try to limit your intake of saturated and trans fats and opt for healthier fats, such as olive oil and avocado. 6. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners, such as aspartame and saccharin, can cause inflammation and negatively impact the skin. They have been linked to skin damage, such as wrinkles and age spots, and can also disrupt the skin's natural balance of bacteria, leading to breakouts and other skin problems. To avoid this, try to limit your intake of artificial sweeteners and opt for natural sweeteners, such as honey or maple syrup. 7. Salt. Consuming too much salt can lead to water retention, causing puffiness and bloating. Salt can also dehydrate the skin and contribute to wrinkles. To avoid this, try to limit your salt intake and opt for healthier seasoning options, such as herbs and spices. 8. Caffeine. Caffeine can dehydrate the skin and contribute to wrinkles. Caffeine can cause the body to produce more urine, leading to dehydration and affecting the skin's natural hydration levels. To avoid this, try to limit your caffeine intake and drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated. 9. Processed snacks. Processed snacks, such as chips and crackers, are often high in dairy products. Some dairy products can cause skin breakouts and contribute to inflammation. Remember, everyone's skin is different, and what may work for one person may not work for another. It is always best to consult with a dermatologist or nutritionist before making any significant changes to your diet. 10. Dairy products. Some dairy products can cause skin breakouts and contribute to inflammation. Remember, everyone's skin is different, and what may work for one person may not work for another. It is always best to consult with a dermatologist or nutritionist before making any significant changes to your diet.